Namaste.
Welcome to the latest edition of Future Bites. Shrenik, do you know what is in store for us this month?
No, please tell me.
This month we have discounts galore, a card that helps you to shop more, exciting store launches, and the buzz that everybody is waiting for.
Oh, that's great. You know what, Pooja? This is the first time I have come to an Ethnicity store. And this is one of the most interesting stores I've ever seen.
Isn't it? Ethnicity is a store wherein you think of anything ethnic and you can find it here. And that's not all. You can even shop for home decor and accessories over here.
Oh, that's great. So why don't we take our viewers for a tour of this store?
Amazing. In fact, while browsing, I managed to pick a few outfits that I'm planning to buy.
Now I know why ladies section of all garment stores are always crowded.
Who can resist a good bargain? Trust me, it's just not girls who love a good sale. Let's take a look at the story that we did on the public holiday sale at Big Bazaar.
Well, going by the crowds, it looks like there's something special going on at Big Bazaar. And yes, there is something special. This is the public holiday sale being conducted by Big Bazaar for the first time, and the response from the public says it all.
Holidays are really meant for a day that you can go out and start shopping apart from your regular days. And then you come up with an offer like this, it's really good. People can actually get avail of this offer and use it for the best of their experience. Big Bazaar and Foods Bazaar have always been the best. There's no surprise there at all. And coupled with a holiday, it's just the best.
Getting discounts is something that hardly anyone can ever resist. After all, in this era of runaway inflation and galloping petrol prices, how else do we save money? And for saving money, there could hardly be any better mantra than the public holiday sale. Right from groceries to clothes, from mobile phones to televisions, all this and more was there at the recently concluded public holiday sale. Although the public holiday sale was being conducted for the first time, the enthusiasm among the customers who had turned up along with their families was infectious. The unique and attractive offers along with a once-in-a-lifetime discount have made the sale a very attractive proposition.
हम लोग को बहुत ही अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है, बल्कि एक्सपेक्टेशन से ज़्यादा। पता नहीं था कि ये पब्लिक डे में हम लोग अच्छा सेल कर सकते हैं, मगर आज के दिन में बहुत अच्छा सेल कर रहे हैं।
Seeing the huge response that the sale has generated, Big Bazaar plans to organize more public holiday sales. But till that time, prepare your shopping lists and get ready for more shopping extravaganzas from Big Bazaar.
The reaction from the customer says it all. Now let's have a look at how FBB is making India's RJs thoda aur stylish.
Wow, that sounds interesting. Tell me more about it.
FBB is running a campaign wherein you can choose India's most stylish RJs. Let's have our employee journalist Srinivas Vasish to tell us more about it.
And while we are at it, let us also catch on the buzz in May.
If style and glamour is what you're looking for, then let me tell you, you have come to the right place. This is Out of the Blue Bandra, and we are here to cover the launch party of the FBB RJ Stylometer event, wherein we are going to make India's RJs thoda aur stylish. So what are we waiting for? Let's go and catch the action.
I believe that, you guys being from different channels, all coming together, I think it just makes it even more special. So once again, thanks from the FBB team.
Hey guys, we have RJ Palak from Radio City here with us. Hi Palak.
Hi.
So tell me, how are you liking it here?
I'm loving it here. ये place बहुत अच्छी है और fellow RJs से जो हम मिल नहीं पाते अक्सर because of this hunt we are actually meeting other people, so that's very 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 nice.
I am too girly and too feminine and I'm not a tomboy at all, and that's what my style quotient is. I'm stylish, I'm feminine, I'm beautiful.
I don't know much about style, मगर मुझे इतना लगता है कि style is something आप फैशन को बहुत अच्छे से समझते हो, you know what's going on, क्या अच्छा चल रहा है, what's in, what's out, मगर पहनते वही हो in whatever you are comfortable in.
ये जो एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जो FBB लेकर आया है, इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि मुझे यहाँ पता है कि जो भी लिसनर्स मुझे देख पाएंगे अब, उनको पूरा यकीन है कि हाँ, हमने जो सोचा था रानी बिल्कुल वैसी है.
So there you have it from the horse's mouth. You see that? All these RJs telling you, why do you have to cast your vote for them, alright? So what are you waiting for? Log on to facebook.com/FBBonline and cast your vote for your most stylish RJ. Go ahead, do it right now.
Pantaloons customers getting a pleasant surprise. The surprise was in the form of the payback green card that was being issued to customers in lieu of their existing green cards. The payback card has acceptance at a wider array of stores, and the points can be redeemed by customers for greater savings. And that's not all. The payback card offers many more benefits besides the discounts.
The overall benefit that we'll provide to the customer is obviously basis the tier that they will get the discount. That is one of the major things that we are giving. Apart from that, a lot of softer benefits which we'll be giving them, which is the exclusive car park, exclusive sale preview day, the extended exchange period. So all that benefits, the softer benefits are there, plus the points that we'll be giving them separately. So it's a complete package of all the three things, and I guess it will be one of the only program that will give discount and points at the same time.
So, if you haven't got your payback green card yet, next time you go shopping, do not forget to ask for it. A regular working day turned into a Bollywood affair at Future Retail Home Office recently. The cast and crew of the movie Fatso visited Future Group to promote their film as a part of the midday Bollywood lunch contest. Employees hobnobbed with their favorite stars over a pizza lunch and got loads of pictures clicked. Mothers got a special surprise when they visited the various Pantaloons outlets at Lucknow. It was smiles all around as motherhood was celebrated, and mothers were thanked for their essential role in everybody's lives. The visitors to E-Zone Kankurgachi received a gastronomical surprise when they visited their favorite E-Zone store. They saw, they shopped, and they ate and relished the delicacies being dished out. Continuing their campaign to make India thoda aur stylish, Big Bazaar went to Jalandhar to turn the sporting city thoda aur stylish. The partners of Future Group were in for a professional treat when Future Sharp Skills Limited recently conducted their partner orientation program in Kolkata. All the tiny tots got a chance to showcase their dancing skills when 10 Acres Mall in Ahmedabad played host to the contestants of Dance India Dance Little Masters. This month, the city of Nawab's Lucknow welcomed a new Big Bazaar store in its midst. Education capital of India, Pune, welcomed a new central store. Bangalore saw a flurry of new store launches by our group. The IT capital of India gave a thumbs up to a new food hall store in the city. Pantaloons factory outlet also saw a new entrant to the buzzing city of Bangalore. And fans of Manchester United too got a reason to cheer as a new Manchester United store opened in the city. Holi too saw the opening of a new store in the city. And for their everyday needs in the friendly neighborhood, KB's Fair Price also opened a new store in Bangalore.
May seemed to be a very exciting month, but the fun doesn't end there.
Is it?
Do you know what time it is? No, that's not what I'm talking about.
Then?
It's a time to go and meet a stalwart of the month.
And who is he?
He is, instead of telling you about him, why don't we go and see him in action?
Oh sure, why not?
Let's go and meet the stalwart of the month.
support the entire group. So whether I'm working on a big bazaar project or maybe perhaps our future supply chain project, the job is never routine. So, which is a great part of the job, right? So with such a diverse business with so many concepts and lines of business, my job lets me do many things across the group. So a lot of things I do beyond just IT, right? So my job is not just a pure IT role. It's actually very much also a business role. So if you were to measure Future Group's technology platform initiatives against our competitors in the retail Indian space, we're extremely far ahead, right? We actually benchmark ourselves to the Western retailers, and in many areas, a lot of our technologies are far away, more advanced. Every quarter, we're delivering something new to the group. Right? Our latest launch is the new digital gift voucher, just got launched about a week ago. Right? So, and there's a whole bunch of new, specifically mobility initiatives coming out for the group.
Do play football, right? I swim a lot, and I play golf, right? So, and I actually find, funny enough, I find work therapeutic, and it de-stresses me. And I actually am an avid cook. I love cooking, so that's my passion actually. Right, so food and cooking. So when I go home in the evening, right, how I actually de-stress away from IT is I cook something. So I actually forget about IT. So some of the vision, the kind of strategy they were working on, the next kind of areas is definitely on the mobility space. Right, so there are a lot of new initiatives coming out in the mobility space. Also social media, right? And one of the big areas that we're playing, and we'll always be in this area, is an area called big data, which is business analytics and business intelligence and business analytics. Right, so it's all about mastering the data that we have. So the group itself sits on a massive amount of retail data, right? And dissecting and making business, good business sense out of it is one of the key areas that we're focused on right now. So there's two things: no pain, no gain, right? And secondly, the team is like a football team, right? It's not just about individual players; it's about team, right? So if you look at any successful football club, and I'm a big fan of Barcelona, right? They're a great football club. They work as a team. So IT's like that. You need great team, good goaltender, a good midfielder, a good striker. That's how you get a great IT team. So my team is like that.